Welcome back to Silicophilic. If you are running Windows 11 and your modem suddenly stopped working after installing the latest KB5074109 update, don't waste your time reinstalling drivers or changing random settings. I already checked what is actually happening here, and the problem is not with your modem hardware. This is caused by a change introduced in the Windows update itself. In this video, I will show you exactly why this happened and the simple fix that will bring your modem back to working condition by removing the problematic update. Why this problem happens? According to the official release notes from Microsoft, this update removes certain modem drivers from Windows. Because of this change, modem hardware that depends on these specific drivers will no longer work after installing the update. So if your modem stopped working right after installing KB5074109, this is the reason behind it. Now the question is, how can we fix it? Check your modem driver status. Unfortunately, the only solution available right now is to uninstall this update. Don't worry, the process is very simple. However, before uninstalling the update, you can also confirm the driver issue. Right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Modems or check under Network Adapters and look for your modem device. If you see a warning icon or the device is missing, it indicates that Windows is no longer loading the required driver. You can right-click the device and select Properties. Then head to the Driver tab to check the current driver information. Try driver rollback or reinstall. If the driver is still available in the network adapter section, you can try rolling it back. So inside Device Manager, right-click your modem, then expand Properties, then Driver tab. If the rollback driver option is available, click it. Windows will restore the previous driver version. If rollback is not available, you can also uninstall the device. To do so, right-click Device, then select Uninstall Device. Restart your PC. Windows will attempt to reinstall the hardware automatically. However, this method may not work if KB5074109 removed the required driver completely. Uninstall the update. Let me show you step by step how to remove this update from your Windows 11 PC. Press Windows plus I keys on the keyboard to open Settings. Inside Settings, click on Windows Update from the left side menu. Now on the right side, find and open Update History. Before moving ahead, make sure that the KB5074109 update is actually installed on your computer. Now scroll down until you reach the bottom of the Update History page. Under the Related Settings section, click on Uninstall Updates. Here you will see the list of installed updates. Look for the update named KB5074109. Once you find it, click on the Uninstall button next to it. A confirmation window will appear. Click on the Uninstall button again to start the process. Now Windows will start removing the update. This process usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes, so wait until it finishes. Once the update is removed, Windows will ask you to restart your computer. Remember, restarting is a mandatory step. Click on Restart and allow your PC to boot back into Windows. After your computer restarts, the modem issue should be resolved and your modem should start working normally again. So if your modem stopped working after installing Windows 11 KB5074109, the issue is not your modem hardware. It is caused by the removal of the required drivers. Removing the update should bring your modem back. If this guide helped you fix the problem, comment in the sections below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.